With global warming, what is the future that you expect? And what is the future that you wish? In this course, each student is producing a 1-minute video inspired by a conversation they have with experts and also with their peers. The only way to predict the future is to invent it. At the end of the year, all the students' videos are exhibited in a virtual exhibition. Watch this short video, which is a mix of all the students' video on the music of Jing Wang. Thank you, and see you there.
I wanna believe that there is good in the world. I wanna see that people still care. I want to know that this place is still worth fighting for. I wanna feel love in the air. Everything eventually ends. The good, the bad, the ugly too. So when it feels unbearable, my friend, remember you just have to wait it through.我们的未来还有什么样的期待？或者是否一场没有意义的比赛？我们的未来还有什么样的期待？让我们离开这个疯狂的年代。我们的未来还有什么样的期待？或者是否一场没有意义的比赛？我们的未来还有什么样的期待？让我们离开这个疯狂的年代。让我们离开这个疯狂的年代。